member of the group, AZ. AZ, mag-ilaw ka naman sa wishes
Cypher
natin.
Collective, ito pala yun.
Magandang hapon sa lahat.
Alright, you come across like a timid girl, but when you were sound checking, you got fire sa material mo, right? Kwento mo naman sa amin, sino yung influences mo growing up sa music scene?
Sa music scene ko, si Eminem, tapos si Snow Paga,
Right.
o si Hollywood, yung dito sa Pilipinas, si Javaya po pala po.
Javaya, I
Sa
remember.
Pilipinas,
Cypher Collective.
pero po si Casey Landino.
I see. Okay, so are you a pure rapper or do you sing ballads then, R&B?
Singer po.
Singer din. Okay. Pwede ba kami humingi ng sample sa'yo? Kahit one-liner lang. Na any Casey song, any Beyonce track. Just for the bonus ng ating mga wishers sa labas. No pressure. That's all good in the hood.
Iulit na paano na binigay sa atin. Yun lang.
Alright, good job. Good job. Maraming salamat. I understand there's a certain amount of pressure when you're seated on board the iconic Wish 1075 bus, right? But now, pag-usapan natin, paano ka naging member ng Cypher Collective? Sino yung tumawag sa'yo? Sino yung invite? Did you audition?
At
Well,
first po
Cypher
kasi
Collective.
bumabattle ako, so battle